everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Facecast, which is a social mobile application used for live streaming, posting content like photos and videos, and also a great source of income. The Facecast app is a popular global live video community used by people from more than 150 countries around the world in over 10 plus languages. The app is divided into three major sections, which are the live section, the video section, and one-on-one section. The live section is where you can see popular, nearby, or followed live streamers going live. You can also join them, chat with them, send them gifts, duet them, and help them achieve their goals. Next up, we have the video section, which basically looks like a TikTok feed where you can see short videos posted by other people, comment on them, like them, and even reward them with gifts. And lastly, we have the one-on-one section where you are randomly matched with another streamer for a private video chat. If you do not like your match, you can simply swipe up and the app will automatically match you with somebody else. You can earn gifts from streamers through this section and just have a nice conversation. Besides these major features, you are also able to chat privately in your inbox with other people, post pictures, go live, whether it's privately or public, or you can just join a live party or PvP, which basically means a live stream with multiple people. Now let's talk a little bit about the income part. How does this app bring you money? Whenever you receive a gift from someone, that gift will be added automatically to your wallet section into the income category. There are multiple types of gifts and each of them are worth a certain amount of diamonds. When a streamer sends you a gift, they will have to pay for it in diamonds, but you will receive it in the form of F coins. From there, you can either choose to convert your coins into diamonds and also support other streamers with gifts, or you could just wait until you have enough coins to withdraw your earnings. The minimum amount of coins you need to have in order to withdraw is 10,000 coins, which is equivalent to $50. You can also find a record of all of the gifts you have received or sent to other people, and if you are in need of diamonds but you do not wish to spend your F coins, I have 4 methods that can help you do that. The first method would be purchasing coins from the recharge section in the wallet through your Google Pay account. The second method would be watching the 5 daily ads that are given to you, and each of those ads will give you 1 diamond. The third method would be by joining people's live streams and opening their chests, and depending on how fast you are, receiving a certain amount of diamonds. And lastly, inviting people to the app, which brings you 30 diamonds per person who join. If you are interested into joining the app, I will leave my invite code in the description. In the end, I would like to say that if you want to grow your account by leveling it up, you need to know that you must be as active as you can. And what I mean by that is that you have to like people's posts, comment on them, join their live streams, and most importantly, sending gifts, and always click that check-in button that you will find on your profile daily. If you want to see a withdraw video, and also if you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in case you have any questions related to the video, just feel free to ask them in the comment section below. And as always, until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.